What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronice.Chantal and welcome. For those of you that are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because I am one of a kind. It's a couple days after Thanksgiving. So much fun. Decided not to do any work. It's hanging out with my family, enjoying some great food, and having fun with my sisters and my family. So it is Saturday. And it's time to get to work. I ran a Black Friday sale on my Etsy shop and it did pretty well. I'm receiving orders all day on Thanksgiving and all day on Friday. So that's awesome. As well, on TikTok, I think they were running their own Black Friday sale. So I was getting crazy amounts of orders on TikTok shop. So I have a total of about 30 orders combined. It's not a lot, but it is to me because I have not had more than like 6 orders ever. So this is like my first time doing 30 orders and it all came in like a week. So that's pretty exciting, and it's seemed like it's great news for my business because that's the most I've ever gotten in 1 week. So we're shooting for the stars. I can't wait to see what happens later on. Hopefully I get that 500 order mark. But Saturday morning, I already created mama t-shirt, or my mama sweatshirt, I should say. It's pretty popular, so I worked on that this morning while I was sipping my coffee. Gotta have your coffee first thing in the morning. Gotta have your coffee. So I got that all set, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting that images, start weeding it, and spend pretty much all day knocking out these orders before I return back to my 9 to 5 on Monday. So yeah, this is gonna be a work motivation, so put this on. I'm gonna have some great music in the background. Watch me work with me. Let's have fun, you guys. Catch you guys in the next clip.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took a L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Kiss the ring, nah. In the scene like G.O.T. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get R.I.P. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.
Alright, you guys, we are back. It's later in the evening, still Saturday. I just went ahead and weeded out all these images, and this is just half of the orders I have done. So now I'm just gonna go through all the sweaters I bought. Hey, I'm gonna go through all the sweaters I was able to get. I'm gonna have to place an online order for the other sweatshirts that are not available at my Hobby Lobby. That is like the only store I have out here for sweaters and t-shirts, but they offer limited colors, so I have to go online for like the browns, the greens, and all that other stuff. So I'm just gonna go through and organize images with their sweater. That way, maybe hopefully tonight I can press it. If not, I'm definitely gonna start it tomorrow. So yeah, let's get this started. This is all the orders I have. Alright, you guys, so that's day one of me making my TikTok orders / Etsy orders all in one day. I've been working since about 8 o'clock this morning, and I shouldn't have done that. But I had a lot of stops and eating lunch and finishing my leftovers from Thanksgiving, so you know how that is. But yeah, so that was day one. You guys saw me weeding my orders, pressing the shirts, and day two will be me just wrapping it all together and shipping it off to where it needs to go. So thanks again for joining me. I'm trying to pump out these videos. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm trying to pick up this camera no matter how I'm looking. Just bring you what I can bring you. Until next time, y'all, I'm Ronice.Chantal. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and don't forget
I don't need that energy
that
around me. I just need sun, it's so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me.